It is Friday, August the 22nd. What an amazing bullish day today as the Dow Jones breaks into all-time highs and closes above it. The IWM also has an incredible day. Yeah, the Dow Jones rose 846 points. The S&Ps gained 1.5%. The QQQ also gained 1.5%, and the small caps also up nearly 4%. Today, we got the highly anticipated Jerome Powell speech from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. In his remarks, Powell downplayed inflation risk while emphasizing the softness in the labor market. He did strike a little bit of a cautious tone. He warned that tariffs are pushing higher prices, but doubled down that the Fed would not allow a one-time jump turn into an ongoing inflation problem. He also said that policy is on a preset course with risk tilted to higher inflation on one side and weaker jobs on the other. Importantly, the Fed also dropped its makeup strategy that was adopted in 2020 and has now shifted back to the classic flexible inflation targeting, and they reaffirmed their 2% inflation target while noting rates are now much closer to neutral. Looking at today's market readings, we can see that the SPY, the Dow, and the IWM are in strong bullish alignment with multiple timeframes, confirming the Dow and the IWM are perfect max bull alignment across all time frames. Today's move definitely cleared up a lot of this week's general weakness. This is also starting to look more broad-based with the IWM flipping into that full alignment. And that is usually a strong risk-on signal. We can confirm this by just going and looking at the charts. By looking at the Dow ETF, the DIA, we can see that it is finally broken out and closed above all-time highs. I'm looking for a push towards 465 and even 470. The small cap ETF, the IWM, finally broke over the 230 mark. I'm looking for a push towards 245. If big tech also catches a strong bid, I'm definitely keeping an eye on Google. I am looking for a move over 207 and lifetime highs for an initial push towards 210. Looking ahead to next week's economic data, we can see that we have consumer confidence, preliminary GDP readings, as well as the core PCE readings. Not to mention, Wednesday after the bell, we have the highly anticipated earnings report from NVDA. Have a wonderful weekend. As always, trade smart and be good.